Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lalibella's tutorial. For today's series, we are going to learn the Cantonese number from 20 to 99. For last video, we teach you the number 1 to 20. Do you know how to say it in Cantonese? Good! So, let's continue learning. As you can see, 2 multiplied by 10 is equals 20. But words is just literally combined. 2 which is yi and 10 which is sap. So, it became yi sap. For number 21, just combine number 20 which is yi sap plus number 1 which is yat. So, it become isap yat. Then continue until number 29. So, let's start counting. Number 20, isap. Number 21, yisap yat. Number 22, isap yi. Number 23, isap sam. Number 24, isap say. Number 25, isap Number 26, isap lo. Number 27, isap chat. Number 28, isap pat. Number 29, isap cow. Then now for number 30, just follow the steps of number 20 and continue with the numbers until 99. Number 30, samsap. Number 40, saysap. Number 50, msap. Number 60, loksap. Number 70, chatsap. Number 80, pasap. As you notice, it's a silent T. Number 90, kausap. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for you to learn more. Thank you so much everyone. Koisai! See you next time. Hatsikin!
Lalibella.